Creating a WordPress website used to feel complicated, especially for the beginners. You need to choose a theme, add pages, design layouts, write content, install plugins, speed up the site, and manage everything. But what if an AI could build and manage your WordPress site for you? That's exactly that NG AI by Elementor promises. An intelligent assistant that helps you to create, edit, and manage your WordPress website using simple commands. Today, I will review NG AI in a very simple way so you can understand what it does, how it works, and whether it's worth to trying. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow online without any confusion. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link from description to try the Elementor and NG AI by using that link. So if you use the link from description, any free trial or special offer that will be applied automatically. So you get the best value. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First of all, let's talk about what is NG-AI. NG-AI is an artificial intelligence built into Elementor, a popular website builder for WordPress. Elementor already made web design easier with its drag and drop editor, but NG-AI takes it a step further. Instead of designing pages manually, you can describe what you want in plain English, and NG-AI helps you to create the layouts, pages, and even whole sections automatically. For example, you can type to create a homepage for a cafe with just some menu section and contact form, and NG-AI will generate that page automatically for you. NG-AI works inside the WordPress dashboard when you install the Elementor and active the AI features. The interesting thing is that it doesn't just generate content, it understands the structure. This means it can generate headers, menus, hero section, service list, testimonials, and footers with proper spacing, fonts, and visuals that look professional without complicated manual editing. For beginners, this feels like having a website designer that listens to your word and builds pages instantly. One of the basic and simple feature is asking to the NG AI to make a homepage or the service business. Basically, homepage is the main page of your website. So if you type a simple command with the business name, color, and what section you want, within seconds it produced a clean homepage layout. It added text, buttons, images, and spacing, and even included a call to action area that looked ready to publish. This saved a lot of time compared to creating everything by hand. NG-AI also helps with the writing text instead of writing all the content yourself. You can ask NG-AI to write headlines, service description, or even FAQs. For example, you can type write a welcoming headline for my graphic design services, and NG-AI will generate proper options that you can choose for edit. This is very useful for beginners who struggle with words or want content that is SEO friendly and clear. Another part of the AI is ongoing site management. Elementor says NG can help you to update content, reorganize the sections, and make improvements as your needs change. For example, you can tell the NG AI to add a blog section or change the button color, and it will make those updates without you digging into design settings. This kind of natural language control makes WordPress feel much less technical. Now, let's talk about the real benefit and a few limitations. One big benefit is speed. You can design pages in just minutes instead of hours. NG-AI can help you to jump past the boring parts of layout, spacing, and text placement so you can focus on strategy and goals. Another advantage is accessibility. Beginners with limited technical skills, they can still create professional pages without frustration, which can help small business owners, bloggers, and service providers to launch faster. However, NG-AI is not perfect because it is AI. The designs may not always match exactly what you imagined on the first try. Sometimes you need to refine the result or adjust colors or tweak that manually. Also, certain deeper customization like custom CSS, advanced plugin setting, or specific animations still need the manual work or a deeper understanding of WordPress. It doesn't replace all the design skills entirely. Another important note is that Angie AI features are tied to the Elementor Pro and require a compatible WordPress setup. This means you need to have the Elementor installed with a suitable license, and your hosting must support the WordPress, which adds to the initial setup. But many users find the time saved and simplicity worth if they want a quick and easy website builder with AI help. In short, NGAI by Elementor is a smart website assistant that helps you to build, manage, and customize the WordPress pages with simple instructions. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this NG AI review helped you to understand how it works and how it can make the WordPress website building easier. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel and like the video, and also check the link from description to get the access on NG AI with the discount offer that will be applied automatically when you use the link. So I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.